So we're all pretty much familiar with AI by now, but it seems like this technology is not ready to slow down. This new wave of AI tools is absolutely insane and shocking. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 of these AI tools that are completely free for us to use, and I think they're going to blow your mind. So let's dive right in and get started with the first one, which is called DeepSeek R2. Alright, so what is DeepSeek R2? Well, this tool allows us to upload any photo or video file and then instantly generate images based on that file. It's sort of like Stable Diffusion where you enter a prompt, but instead here you can just upload a file. Now you might be wondering, why would I want to do that? Well, there are several reasons. For example, maybe you have a photo of a place and you want to imagine what it would look like if it was painted by a famous painter. Maybe you have a picture of yourself and you want to see how it would look in the style of Picasso. Or maybe you just want to take an ordinary photo and turn it into a completely crazy and surreal image. The possibilities are really endless. Now, this tool is completely free to use, but there are some limitations. For example, you can only upload images that are up to 1024 pixels in size, and the generated images also have the same size limit. Also, you can only generate 4 images per day. But still, considering that it's free, I think it's pretty good. And who knows, maybe they'll increase the limits in the future. To use this tool, simply go to the website and click on Upload Image. Then select the file you want to use and wait for it to be processed. After that, you'll be able to download the generated images. And keep in mind that you should try different prompts because sometimes it takes a few attempts to get the desired result. Next, we have Grok 3. Now, this is a new type of language model that has been trained with over 1 million books and other text files. What makes Grok 3 different from other language models is that it can understand and respond to natural language inputs. That means you can ask it questions like you would ask a person, and it will try its best to answer in a human-like way. Grok 3 is still in development, but the creators have released a demo version that we can access for free. In the demo, we can chat with Grok 3 and ask it questions about anything we want. And the answers it provides are often surprising because they're not just copied from the internet. Instead, Grok 3 uses its knowledge from the training data to generate new responses that make sense in the context of the conversation. To use Grok 3, just go to the website and start chatting. You can ask it anything you want and see what it comes up with. And remember that Grok 3 is still in beta, so the quality of its responses may vary. The next tool we need to discuss is OpenAI GPT 4.5. Yes, we all know about ChatGPT, but recently OpenAI released an updated version called GPT 4.5. This new model has some improvements compared to the previous versions. For example, it's better at understanding complex requests, and it can also generate longer and more coherent responses. However, despite all the hype around GPT 4.5, many people don't know that it's actually free to use. Just go to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. Then go to the Chat tab and start chatting with GPT 4.5. You can ask it any question or give it any instruction, and it will try to follow your request and generate a response accordingly. Alright, now let's move on to something a little different and talk about Helix Humanoid. This is a powerful new tool developed by Facebook AI that can generate human-like responses using large language models. But unlike other similar tools, Helix Humanoid has some unique features that make it stand out. For example, it can maintain consistent personalities for different characters in a conversation, and it can even simulate different writing styles. But what sets Helix Humanoid apart from other AI writing assistants is its ability to generate responses that are not only coherent and grammatically correct, but also engaging and natural sounding. The tool uses a combination of advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques to analyze the input text and generate a response that flows naturally from the previous message. Unfortunately, Helix Humanoid is not currently available for public use. It's still in development, and the developers have not yet released a demo version or an API for developers to access. However, there is a workaround that you can use to try out Helix Humanoid. If you're willing to try it, check the description box below for more information. Finally, we have Tulu 3, which is the latest version of an AI assistant that can help us with various tasks such as answering questions, generating ideas, and summarizing texts. What makes Tulu 3 different from other AI assistants is that it's open source and free to use. It's also highly customizable, which means we can fine-tune its responses to our liking, and it can even learn from our interactions and become more helpful over time. The Tulu Tulu 3 is still in development, but the creators have released a demo version that we can access for free. Simply go to the demo page and start chatting with Tulu 3. You can ask it any question or give it any task and it will try its best to complete it. And since Tulu 3 is open source, we can also access its code and modify it to our liking. This means that if you're a developer, you can integrate AI functionality into your own applications and customize it to fit your specific needs. These are just a few examples of the latest AI tools that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this technology. From image generation to natural language processing to AI-powered writing assistants, these tools offer a glimpse into the future of AI and its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate AI into your own applications or just someone who's curious about the latest AI advancements, I encourage you to check out these tools and explore the amazing world of artificial intelligence. In the realm of AI, where data flows, a new sonnet emerges, 3.7 flows. With GPT 4.5's might, it takes its stand, composed by Claude, a master's hand. It weaves tales of love and loss and pain, of human trials, joy and strain. Its verses flow with rhythmic grace, a tapestry of words in time and space. From dawn till dusk, it sings of life's embrace, the fleeting moments, time's swift pace. It speaks of dreams that soar and touch the sky, and whispers secrets as the hours go by. Like sonnets past, it holds a rhyme, a structured dance, a timeless chime. 14 lines that form a perfect sphere, reflecting depths of feeling, crystal clear. It paints a world both rich and vast, where emotions intertwined, forever cast. A sonnet's form, a classic art, in AI's hands, a masterpiece to impart. So let us lose ourselves in this creation, a sonnet's beauty, a digital elation, where AI and poetry in harmony reside, and Claude 3.7 flows with the tide. Now tell me, dear viewers, what do you think of this AI sonnet born from data's brink? Does it capture feelings, emotions true? Or is it just a clever ruse? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below on this AI sonnet, its rhythm and its flow. Does it evoke emotions, stir your soul, or leave you feeling indifferent, cold? Your feedback is valuable, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments. Innovate, for together we can learn and grow in this AI sonnet, its beauty, its glow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Imagine a robot in your home. Not just any robot, but one that feels like a part of the family. Picture this: a sleek, futuristic machine that blends seamlessly into your living space, ready to assist you at a moment's notice. This isn't a distant dream or a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's happening now. But not just any robot, we're talking about Helix, a revolutionary new kind of robot designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Helix isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer.